Welcome to all. I am Nithya, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science from JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Now we are discussing the topic filters in Advanced Excel. This is the agenda for the topics. First of all, we have discussed for filters. Filters can be used to narrow down the clean data in your worksheet and hide part of it from view. Filters allow you to quality and display only the data that interested you. By filtering information in a worksheet, you can find values quickly. You can filter one or more columns of data. Filters can be used to cells or tables. You can either reapply a filters to get up to date results or clear a filters to display all the data. So filter is a common and a very useful tool for your Excel sheet. This is the example for filters. First of all, you have select cells within your data table. Then under the data ribbon, choose filters. Once the filter toggle is selected, small arrow will be displayed on your column header. This is for a show for us. Choose the column you want to filter and click the drop down arrow. This is the another criteria for filters. Filters for selecting values or searching. Selecting values from a list and searching are quickly way to filter. We have select and clear the checkboxes to show values that are found in a column of data. Use advanced criteria to find the values that meet specific conditions. So we have click in an arrow a column that has filtering enabled. All the values in that column appear in a list. So we have choose smallest or largest to small values. We have used in our filter options in your Excel sheet. Then we have discussed for conditional formatting. Conditional formatting allow you to automatically apply for formatting such as colors, icons, datas, etc. One or more cells based on the cell values. We have used in a conditional formatting to create a conditional formatting rules. First for we have choose in a formatting box appear. Choose your criteria, see your result. For example, we have get in an employee table. We have select for your less than 5,000 salary get in a employee list. This example to show for this. Then we have discussed for data validation. Data validation is a feature that restricted values are used to input or a worksheet. It is allow only numeric or text values in a cell or allow numbers within a specific range. We have restrict dates and times outside a given range. For example, you would use data validation to make sure your values is a number between 1 and 6. Make sure your data occurs in the next 30 days or make sure text entry in less than 25 characters. This is the example for our data validation process. This show for our table. One example is the data validation can be used to present the user within a predefined choice in a drop down menu. So we have used in a settings. We have used choose for buy or sell holders. Used in a 5 for settings error alert messages. Then you have used for advanced function. First we discuss VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is the most widely used function in Excel. It is a value in a column on the left, then written information in another column to the right. If it is finds a match. Once again I repeat that. VLOOKUP is the most widely used function in Excel. It's look up a value in a column on the left, then written information in another column in the right. The example for A is the B of C, then 2 false. Where do you want to look it? You want to exact the approximate matches. This is the advanced function for VLOOKUP. V means vertical. Then VLOOKUP to get the from table. We have used for advanced functions. Then left to right function. You know that left to right functions for the column arrangements, supplied the text strings. Use the left function when you want to extract character starting. Then left or right we extract digits from the numbers as well as. Then subtotal function. Subtotal function is the useful for Excel. It's a subtotal of values, list, data. Subtotal function can return a sum or average, count, max and other, and the functions can either included in your hidden rows. So subtotal behave controlled by the function or number of arguments. There are 11 functions available with the two options. So average, count, max, minimum. Then we have discussed for the advanced functions in a concatenate function. So we have used for string values, joining two input values in a string. We have used in a concatenate function. Then we have in nested functions. We have nested function using one of the argument formula, that uses the function called nesting. So we have used in an average or sum function using in a if condition. So formula you use it in a if condition is called the nested functions. So nested function used for whole of is condition based processing in your column. So we have this. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you.